Hey you guys, what is up? It's Shundara and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. Also, make sure you check out SaveNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. And in today's video, we will be putting Cetaphil You guys, we will be putting Cetaphil's Daily Facial Cleanser to the test with Cerave's Hydrating Facial Cleanser. So 8 ounces of Cetaphil's Daily Facial Cleanser will run you about $6. The most I've actually seen it for is $8. But at Walmart, you're paying anywhere under $6, maybe $7 plus tax. Skincare is expensive these days, guys. If you don't know, you can go to the skincare section, buy 4 products for $100 at Walmart. I'm just saying, that's just my opinion. It's getting pricey for drugstore skincare as well. With that being said, but 8 ounces of Cerave's Hydrating Cleanser will run you $12. The least I've seen it for is $10 at Walmart for 8 ounces of it. Now that we've run down the price, let's run down ingredients. To me personally, the better of the both. I don't know about the cleanest of both, because these both have parabens in it and polyparabens. So if you're not a fan of parabens, you may not want these cleansers. However, I will say the one with the better ingredients are have way more very fine great ingredients. I mean, I'm looking at it, it's CeraVe. So this one has way better ingredients than Cetaphil. However, they are both daily facial cleansers and you can use these daily. And so the first one we're going to go ahead and do is CeraVe's Hydrating Cleanser. Oh, this is what it looks like. This is pretty thick. Can you guys see that? Okay, so here's CeraVe. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. It's really thick and creamy, but it does droop really quick, so it does have a bit of a water texture, but it's really creamy. So this one is just your average cleanser. It's very translucent and it drips down really quick. We could go ahead and swatch it. There you have it. So this is CeraVe, and this is what you're working with Cetaphil. This one is unscented. It has no scent whatsoever, and Cetaphil smells like baby powder. It's just a light baby powder scent that does not linger. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and put the cleansers on my face. I'm gonna start with Cetaphil's Daily Facial. Oh my God, the spout is not, the spout wasn't working, y'all. I'm gonna start with Cetaphil's Daily Facial Cleanser. Oh crap, I did it all wrong. I put it on this hand. Lord help me. Now I'm just, thank heaven Cetaphil has this little spout so I could just do this to my skin. Okay, you guys, that's how much I put. You know, I tend to have a big head. Y'all know I got a melon. Compared to y'all, a small, cute apple heads, I am walking around here with a melon, so I have to slather product on. So you may be like, oh, that's too much product. For you, it may be, but y'all always want to compare y'all heads to my head, and I don't understand why y'all do that to me. Y'all love comparing y'all heads to my head, and knowing half of y'all got apples, little cute apples, and look at my big old, I have the head size of 2 to 3 oranges, okay? I have a big head, so I have to use more product. With that being said, I do want to say this. The CeraVe is way more hydrating. Like, literally rubbing it into my skin, I could feel the hydration immediately. It's a little more soft in texture and velvety on the skin than Cetaphil's Daily Facial Cleanser. Cetaphil's Daily Facial Cleanser compared to CeraVe right now, what I'm feeling, because I'm really amazed by it, is way harsher. And it's not harsh, but it feels harsher compared to the velvety feeling of CeraVe's Hydrating Facial Cleanser. With that being said, I am going to go ahead and rinse my face so we can see what we are working with. Okay, you guys, so we're back. I am going to go ahead, dry my face, and then we could do a close-up. Okay, you guys, so here is my face, here is CeraVe, and here is Cetaphil's. Here's CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser, and here's Cetaphil's Daily Facial Cleanser. Here is my forehead. You can see that my forehead is way much brighter than on the CeraVe or CeraVe side. Here is my cheek. and here is my other cheek. It's like way brighter, if you guys can see. Like, even if I turn the light up, okay, there we go. It is way brighter on this side of my face. Like, it's so bright. But I will say this side of my face is way more hydrating and way more soft. So, you know, now that y'all are all up in my face and we got this comparison, like, can you see it's like really drying out on this side? Let's talk about it. Okay, you guys, let's talk about CeraVe's Hydrating Cleanser versus Cetaphil's Daily Facial Cleanser. Now, CeraVe does have a lot of cleansers, way more products, way more drugstore products than Cetaphil does have. Cetaphil has about 2 or 3 drugstore cleansers. So we're just comparing the Daily Facial Cleanser to the Hydrating Cleanser. And I wanted to compare those two because I see a lot of similar ingredients. Not only that, I felt that, you know, the Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser is marketed as a daily facial cleanser. So with that assumption, it's a little bit more hydrating on the skin because you can use it every day. So that's why I picked those two to compare. Now, with that being said, I will say CeraVe is way more hydrating. It may not be as bright as Cetaphil. It's just much more hydrating. Like, literally, I could feel my skin drying out on this side. However, this side is nice and supple and bouncy. Like, I am amazed at the hydration this side of my face has from the CeraVe versus the Daily Facial Cleanser that is literally drying my face out, and it's time for me to apply some moisturizer as I'm talking to you. I noticed on the Cetaphil side of my face that even though it's not as hydrating, my pores do look much smaller than the CeraVe side of my face. So if you are all about your pores looking smaller, looking cleaner, and looking brighter, you may just want to go ahead and get Cetaphil. However, if you are looking for a wonderful product that is hydrating, it's going to give you a lot of benefits when you are cleansing your skin, you may want to go with CeraVe. They're really two different products, and personally, it is what you need. I personally feel if you are looking to get your skin clean, if you are looking for a brighter skin, not hydrating, but just to make sure your pores are clean, the blackheads are reduced, you may want to go ahead and get Cetaphil's Daily Facial Cleanser. However, if you are looking for hydration, you are looking to keep your skin looking youthful, younger, you may want to go ahead and get the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. It has some wonderful ingredients in it to keep your skin looking youthful, keep your skin looking younger. Anyone at any age can use the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser because it has wonderful ingredients that will help maintain the youthfulness of your skin, maintain the elasticity of your skin. It is just going to help with that. However, if you don't care about that stuff and that doesn't matter to you and you just want your pores to look small, you just care about the surface of things, then the Cetaphil's Daily Facial Cleanser is for you. And it's also just a little bit cheaper. But like I said, when we are talking about products and in this realm of things with drugstore, sometimes cheaper, sometimes they're a little bit more expensive because they have way better ingredients that are geared to taking care of your skin barrier, making your skin look youthful and keeping your skin healthy and beautiful over a long period of time, in my opinion. With that being said, those are my thoughts on both cleansers. I hope I gave you enough information to figure out which one would you buy. Now, if it was up to me, which one would I buy? I personally would probably buy CeraVe because I love the way it felt on my skin and I love how it made my skin. However, like I said, I am a Libra. So we'll get to the store and I'll remember how bright Cetaphil made my skin, and I would just go ahead and get Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser and just layer with a whole bunch of other products just to keep my skin looking good. So I'm just telling you what I'll do when we head to the store. That's how I work with it. I'm telling you right now. We were at Cabela's the other day and I was like, oh, I'm gonna get this pair of glasses, and I end up getting a whole different set of glasses. So I'm just telling, sunglasses, you guys. So I'm just telling you, that's how I roll. They were a little more expensive, but hey, I like those better than the ones I was prepared to get at Cabela's. With that being said, you guys, I'm just letting you know how I roll. Now, I hope I gave you guys enough information to go go and make your purchasing decision at the drugstore. With that being said, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you check out SaveNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. I love you guys so much. Bye, you guys. Mwah.